Kenny, you want to put him on the grass and I'll hold Jack outside, see what he does?
Introduce him slowly. Hi.
He's like you. He's like you.
Put your feet on it. Hi, Jackie. Yeah.
Oh, good boy, Jackie.
Oh, good boy, Jack.
Let him go.
What's that?
Bring him out here.
Come on, baby.
Come on, Jack.
What a good boy.
Well, let him out here. He ain't gonna mess with him.
I think it's going to mess with him.
No, he's not.
I want to let him play with the ball. Keep him on the leash, but still just bring him.
That's what I mean. Bring him out here. Let him touch him, smell him. There you go. That's what he wants to do.
That's a good boy. Good boy. That's what Jack does with his ball. He's a nut. Here.
Tail's wagging, that's good.
Come here.
Everybody's tails are wagging.
He's so big. Jack is so big. I want to know the ball. Woo, here I go. That's a good boy, Jack. That's Uncle Jack. Good night, Uncle Jack. Good. Good boy. Oh. Good boy. No. Good boy. Easy, easy.
He just wants to smell him.
No, but he's not. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Jack. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Jack. Good boy. Some big old feet. Push him over. That's a good boy. Yeah.
Jack says you can't do that now.
Jack, nice. Be nice. Be nice. Yes. Good boy, Hank. Good boy. Good boy. Soon you're going to have to walk up and down the stairs yourself to go potty.
You think he can beat your ball, Jack?
What is that? You gonna walk, Jack? You gonna walk, Jack?